Lesson: Addressing Data Privacy and Compliance in AI Systems. Addressing data privacy and compliance in AI systems is a critical component of modern cybersecurity, particularly for professionals pursuing the CompTIA CySA Plus certification. As AI-driven security analysis becomes an integral part of data management, understanding the intricacies of data privacy and ensuring compliance with relevant regulations is paramount. This lesson delves into actionable insights, practical tools, frameworks, and step-by-step applications that cybersecurity professionals can utilize to tackle real-world challenges effectively. AI systems inherently rely on vast amounts of data to function optimally. However, this dependence on data brings with it significant privacy concerns. It is crucial to balance the utility of AI with the privacy rights of individuals whose data is being processed. One effective strategy is the implementation of privacy by design principles. Privacy by design, a concept pioneered by Ann Cavoukian, emphasizes the incorporation of privacy considerations into the design process of AI systems from the outset. By embedding privacy measures into the fundamental architecture of AI systems, organizations can proactively mitigate risks related to data breaches and unauthorized access. Moreover, leveraging privacy-enhancing technologies can offer practical solutions to safeguarding data privacy. Techniques such as differential privacy, homomorphic encryption, and federated learning enable data to be utilized for AI training without compromising individual privacy. Differential privacy, for instance, adds noise to datasets, ensuring that the output does not reveal information about any single individual in the dataset. This method is particularly effective in maintaining privacy while allowing data to be useful for AI models, as demonstrated in applications by companies like Apple and Google in their respective AI systems. Compliance with data protection regulations is another critical aspect that cybersecurity professionals must address. The General Data Protection Regulation in the European Union sets a high standard for data privacy, requiring organizations to implement strict data protection measures and to ensure transparency in data processing activities. Non-compliance can result in substantial fines, making it imperative for organizations to align their data management practices with regulatory requirements. Adopting a framework such as the NIST Privacy Framework can be instrumental in achieving compliance. This framework provides a structured approach to managing privacy risk, integrating privacy considerations into enterprise risk management processes, and supporting organizations in building consumer trust through transparency and accountability. To apply these principles effectively, a step-by-step approach is necessary. Firstly, conducting a thorough data audit is essential to understand what data is being collected, processed, and stored. This audit should identify any sensitive data that might require additional protection under laws like the GDPR or CCPA. Tools such as OneTrust and TrustArc offer comprehensive solutions for managing data privacy compliance, helping organizations automate privacy impact assessments and monitor data handling practices. Once a data audit is complete, organizations should implement data minimization strategies. This involves collecting only the data necessary for the intended purpose, thus reducing the risk of exposure in case of a breach. Additionally, anonymization and pseudonymization techniques can be employed to protect individual identities within datasets. Anonymization permanently removes identifiable information, while pseudonymization replaces it with a pseudonym, allowing for re-identification under controlled circumstances if necessary. An effective data governance framework is crucial for managing AI-driven security analysis. Data governance involves establishing policies and procedures for data handling, ensuring data quality, integrity, and security. Implementing a robust data governance framework enables organizations to maintain control over their data assets and ensures compliance with legal and ethical standards. Tools like Calibra and Informatica provide platforms for creating and managing data governance initiatives, offering features such as data lineage tracking, policy management, and compliance reporting. Another key consideration is the ethical use of AI in data processing. AI systems can inadvertently perpetuate biases present in training data, leading to unfair or discriminatory outcomes. Addressing bias requires a multifaceted approach, including diverse training datasets, bias detection tools, and regular audits of AI models. For instance, IBM's AI Fairness 360 Toolkit helps developers examine, report, and mitigate bias in AI models, fostering more equitable AI systems. Case studies highlight the tangible benefits of rigorous data privacy and compliance measures. For example, Microsoft's Azure platform employs advanced privacy controls and compliance certifications, enabling organizations to build AI applications with confidence in their data privacy safeguards. Such implementations not only ensure compliance, but also enhance customer trust, a critical factor in maintaining competitive advantage. Statistics further underscore the importance of addressing data privacy in AI systems. According to a report by the Paramount Institute, the average cost of a data breach in 2021 was $4.24 million, with customer personal data being the most common type of record lost. This highlights the financial implications of inadequate data privacy measures and the necessity for organizations to invest in robust privacy and compliance strategies. In conclusion, addressing data privacy and compliance in AI systems is a multifaceted challenge that requires a comprehensive approach. By integrating privacy by design principles, leveraging privacy-enhancing technologies, and adhering to regulatory frameworks like GDPR and the NIST privacy framework, organizations can effectively manage data privacy risks. Practical tools such as OneTrust, TrustArc, Calibra, and AI Fairness 360 provide actionable solutions for implementing these strategies. Ultimately, a commitment to ethical AI practices and robust data governance will not only ensure compliance, but also foster trust and innovation in AI-driven security analysis.